nice flashy, baby. There's one. Oh yes, that's a good fish. All right, we're out here. I'm out here looking for rocks and waypoints that I've already previously marked. I'm also looking down to see if I can find anything roaming below the surface, because this water is crystal clear. Good start. Yeah, my graph decides to fall right off already. One long bottom that way. And if nothing, I'll move north a little bit. There's one. I got one. All right, baby. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, honey. Come on, stay pegged. Stay pegged. Not big at all. Not big at all. But I mean, it's a start, right? It's a start, right? Come on. Stay pegged for it. It's just a little... Oh, no! Oh, popped off at the net. Okay, but it's a start. Just a little one. All right, guys. Well, the wind is starting to, pick up a little bit. So I'm going to try to use it to my advantage. Now I'm thinking I start a little south and I work my way up north a little bit just to see what's going on. See a lot of kayakers further up, but like I said earlier, I saw fish here. I'm back at the spot where I marked, where I did see like 3 or 4 bass. So I'm hoping they didn't roam very far. There we go. Boom. Fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, not that good. About the same size I already lost. But hey, it's a fish. Stay on, please. Stay on, please. Yeah, not big at all. Oh, I got a shower. Oh God, my netting skills are horrendous. Horrendous netting skills right now. Okay. All right, I almost lost him there. I got another hook in him. There we go. I better figure this net thing out. Although, I got him this time. Our first St. Clair smallmouth officially is not a giant at all. But I mean, it's so great to get back out here. See you later, bud. Thanks for playing. All right. Woo! We got one, finally. That's a giant bass. I'm gonna waypoint this. All right, I saw it. What the frig? Am I having a day already or what? I'm a mess. Retying and a kayak. Do not recommend. I think there's a fish on there. There is. There's a fish on here. Not big. I don't think. Now that he's coming in, he feels a little better. Oh no, it's just a little guy. No way. I'm freaking retying and... Okay, I need to set this drag. This drag is not good. Oh. Leave it up to me for that to happen. No way. Oh my gosh. He's just a little guy. I'm dragging a drop shot and this thing comes up. I'm not even really paying attention. I just look up and this thing comes up there and he smokes it. Oh my gosh, that was insane. That was cool. All right. Thanks for playing, dude. Love the St. Clair colors though. The St. Clair colors are so cool. It's like emerald green. I love it. See you, dude. So this is what happened so far. Let's give you a recap. So I snap off on a big one. That's first. Ned rig just snaps. Second off, my GPS is not screwed in properly, so that just falls off. Second, my GoPro mount just happens to unstick from my kayak. So that's fun. Lost a fish to start the day. Oh my gosh. I'm a mess. As soon as I think about switching this bait, I get hit. So let's think about switching this bait. Has he got one that's a little more natural? Way out there. See what I mean? As soon as I think about switching this bait, I get one. Stay on. It's small. It's not big at all. But at least it's one. Any buddies with it? Not that I could see. And hops right into the net. Perfect. Pop the hook out. Flip them. Teeny, tiny, smally. Still fun nonetheless. But I mean, they gotta get bigger. They gotta grow up sometime. Cool beans. Let's go get another one, eh? I think there's a fish on my drop shot now. There is. There's a fish on my drop shot. All right, baby. Woo! They're not big, but I tell you, this is freaking fun once you find them. Follower. Oh my gosh, he does. And the follower is big. Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. No, don't do this now. Don't do this now. Not now. Still on there. This is a freaking mess. Oh my god. Okay. Son of a gun. Okay, let's get you in here. Stop it. I didn't need more of a mess. Oh my god, look at this mess. Alright guys, let's give you a little mid-morning update. I think I got 6 fish so far. Now that the sun is starting to get a little higher, I'm finding that the fish are starting to become a little more active, and that's probably because they can see more. Smallmouth are sight feeders. They feed with their eyes. So when that sun gets higher, the smallmouth could actually feed a little bit better later on or mid-morning. This is getting awesome. I mean, I missed another one here. This is fantastic. You can't get anything better than this. This is Christmas morning for bass fishermen. I'm telling you, this is awesome. I love it here. All right, let's see if we can get some more fish. I'm gonna change this color after this. Wink, wink. There's There's one. Ooh. Aggressive bugger. Oh, the one following it is an absolute horse. Oh my God. He's still down there following it? I don't think so. The one down there following it was an absolute cow. Son of a gun. And he peeled off, man. Oh, that's too bad. Oh, come on in, bud. Come on. Man, these things fight so hard. I love it. Whoa. Oh my God. Whoa. All right. Another little St. Clair smallmouth bass. The one following it was huge. I want to get that one. I want that giant that was following it. All right. See you later, dude. Sweet. There we go. Drop shot has one. Had one. Drop shot has one. Oh, that's a better fish of the day right there. That's a little better fish. He picked it up. Oh, that's a nice fish. He picked it up and then he dropped it. This drag is crap. Come on, stay on, sweetheart. Oh yeah, this feels better. Oh, it looks better too. Get in here. Get in. Oh. I am struggling with this net. Oh. Oh, come on. You just flop in here. Yes. Oh, yeah. Woo, baby. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Not a bad fish, about 1.5 pounds. But it was fun, man. I tell you, he smoked that drop shot. He picked it up. I saw the rod. I pick up the rod and he's gone. So then I let it drop back down. And this guy came up and he hammered it again. That was so much fun. Let's go get another one. That was awesome. I love this. All right. See you later, dude. Not a bad fish. All right, guys, I think this is gonna be my last drift. This has been so much fun. I lost 2 good fish. Good one. Another good one. Oh, and he spit it out again. But my gosh, hopefully I can get some good ones at the end of this one. Oh man, has this been fun. I'd love to stay out longer, but I forgot my sunscreen. I forgot my buff, all in the car. I guess when you're excited, you forget about those things, eh? Let's show you the bait that I've been using basically all day to search for these fish. It's the Strike King Red Eye Shad. It's pretty beat up there. I don't know about these hooks. I might want to change out these hooks out, but yeah, it's been a pretty great bait so far. I was thinking about changing it up multiple times, and each time I thought of changing it, I would catch a fish on it. So once again, I'm gonna change baits. There's a bass right there. Got him. I caught him. That was so much fun. Oh. Sight fishing for him. There's a bigger one down there. I know it. I know it. That was incredible. That was so much fun. Like, there's a bass there. Boom. Got it. There we go. Another little guy. I know there's another one out there. It's just a matter of, let's get him. See it? Has to be. Yep. It is. Be big, be big. Stay on, stay on. Okay, are you on there now? Are you on there? This feels good. This feels, oh, it's a nice blackie, baby. He is black. He's not that big, but he is black as all could be. Hell yeah. He's not bad. He's got a follower down underneath him. He's black. Big old black bass. Get in here. Get in here. Get in. Oh, get in here. Yeah. Woo. I'm having a great time. Black bass. Look at how dark he is. Beauty. See you later. This is incredible. Alright guys, as you can tell, this is going to be the end of the video. I want to show you something. I found this in my kayak. One of them must have spit it up or something. That almost looks like a goby or a minnow. It's got the body of a goby. Could be a goby. Interesting. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did. This place is awesome. And I'm definitely going to be back here this summer, so stay tuned for that video. Go ahead, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as there's going to be lots more bass content coming up. What an amazing day. Such a great day. I'm telling you, it's Christmas Day for bass fishing. Alright, I'll see you next time out on the water.